Start with the name of the god. So I already discussed with how we can spend Saturday and Sunday in real estate industry. Basically Saturday, what we have to do, we can wake up in the morning, then take breakfast, and then go to your building. Sometimes what happened, we have 3 to 4 customers in the pipeline, and what we are doing, we didn't just take breakfast, we just go start viewing, and sometimes we take breakfast in the 5, in the 6, sometimes in the 3. So what I have to do, just go to your building in the morning, sit in the building which you have property. Just follow with your customer. Once the customer is there, just show the property, whatever you have. So you can finish your day, and at the end of the day, I'm sure you have 2 or 1 closing, at least a check with you. This is Saturday. And same thing in Sunday, mostly office is closed Sunday. So what you have to do, Sunday wake up, go to your building, and then also sit there, follow with your customer and do the viewing, because mostly people, they have off in Saturday and Sunday, so they are coming for the viewing. And if you did the viewing Saturday, Sunday in 10 viewing, so to take the property, 8 customer you have pipeline. This pipeline you can close it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the next week for that. So this is the way of the real estate. So if you work in the real estate, that's you have to do for that. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. I will tell you how to close the deal as well.